Hi guys, today I am gonna show you how to store winter tire at your apartment and how to swap winter tire in a Nissan Rogue 2020 SL. So this is the winter tire stand. I bought it from Canadian Tire at $50, and this is the tire cover. I bought it from Amazon, almost 30 bucks. So if you want to store winter tire or summer tire at apartment, you need to make sure you should store in a particularly upright positions. In manual it says upright positions, and also prevent it from heat and direct sunlight or artificial light, strong artificial light. And also, if the tire is stored in their rims, make sure you reduce the tire pressure at 15 psi, 15 psi, in order to prevent the tire from cracking or deformation. So let's get started. Let me take out the winter tire cover. This is how I store. And let's get started with the winter tire swap. So before getting started, I just want to tell you that I am not a certified technician. I learned myself through the manual and also some useful YouTube videos. So do at your own risk. And also, before doing that, make sure you go through the user manual and consult some YouTube videos. So what are the instruments you need? So I use basically the safety goggles and also the durable hand gloves in order to prevent injury to the hand. And you need the tire tool kit. I also bought it from Canadian Tire. So the tire tool kit, you need the 21mm mainly, the socket and breaker bar, and also the torque wrench. And this torque wrench you need for accurate torque of your nut. So in my user manual of Nissan Rogue 2020 SL, it says you need to tight like 83 foot-pound. And also, if you want to store this in your tool kit, make sure you reduce to 50 foot-pound, because of if you want to use it for a long time, you need to store in 50 foot-pound. If you do that 50 foot-pound, then your accuracy will last long. Sorry, my bad language. And also you need the electric car jack. I also bought it from Amazon, and you just need to plug this one to the car cigarette lighter, and you're good to go. And it is so convenient and easy to use. You do not need to work hard. And you need a pair of jack stand, and I use 3 tones. The better, the more safety. So let's go ahead in my vehicle, and I will show rest of the process. Before jacking up the wheel, you need to loosen the lug nut. Like that. Then with the breaker bar, not with the torque wrench, because torque wrench is not built for that. So for that you need to use this lock. Yes, now you are ready to jack up your car. In order to change the front wheel, you need to right front. You need to place the wheel choke on the left rear. on the left side rear. So let's start with loosening the back nut. So just like I loosen all these three, like that, okay, I loosen, and now it's time to place the jack stand. So I will show you where to put the jack stand. So here the frame rail is a good for raising the vehicle, and also this one is just like this piece frame rail is good for raising the vehicle, and also this metal also good for raising the vehicle. So I'm gonna use this part here to raise my vehicle. Jack stand over here. You see the dent? You can put in the dent, in between the dent. Here. Remove this screw. Here, one by one. It's time to turn it off. Put the tire on the side. So you need to make sure here you see the unidirectional tire has a sign. I'll show you, here is the rotational sign here. So it will move like that direction, that way. You see arrow? So it is the, you have to put this one on the right front, and this is the right front. Start with one screw so it can hold the tire, and another screw. So here you need to make sure you will follow the rule, like 1, then 3, then 5, and 7, and 9. When you're done,
go to visual vehicle and put the jack stand down. I got it past the frame rail. Now you're done. Now you need to remove the jack stand and now put it back. That's it. Again, 1, 2, 5, 7, 9. Again, this is my final height. See the lock, and it means you are done. 83 foot-pound reached. 1, 3, 5, 7, and finally 9. Now we are done.
So I am now done. Everything is set up. This is my summer tire. Now I stored in my balcony. So now I am gonna cover it with the tire cover. And in the next video, I'm gonna show how to hardwire the dash cam. And if you like my video, the tire storage and winter tire swap, please subscribe and give a like button. And this is me, and this is me. Please subscribe and press the like button. Thank you.